Hey guys, in this video I want to explain to you why trading journal is important. I know that this is boring stuff no one wants to do, but at the end of the day it's super important for you to be successful as a trader. So from my experiences back in the day, like let's say 4 years ago, 5 years ago, whatever the case may be, I wasn't journaling the trades because for me personally it was super boring, and I thought, okay, this is not necessary to do it. I can, be successful without it, etc. But at the end of the day, I figured out that I have to do it, even though I don't want to do it, but I need to do it. If you journal your trades, you're gonna see how you are actually performing. If you have consistency, you're gonna see where you have the failures. You're gonna see which sessions works best for you in your trading pairs. Obviously you're gonna see on what thing you have to work on, right? So at the end of the day, journaling is important because forex is not just a forex, but you have to treat it like a business, right? So you have to see, okay, I don't trade good in London, so then I'm going to switch to the New York session. I'm not good in trading GBP JPY. Okay, no problem. So if you're not good at GBP JPY, then switch to the next pair. Get to know him, get to know him, see the details that those pairs have. Try to focus only on the one pair, like I explained in the first video, and then you're gonna see how you're gonna perform, how everything is going to go just up. Why journaling your trades is so important, guys. So it's important because you're gonna see where you are failing. You're gonna see your failures. You're gonna see on what you have to work on. So basically, let's say for example, right? Let's say I'm trading Euro USD in the London session, right? And I see, okay, that in the London session between 9 a.m. and let's say 11 a.m. my time, which is 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. UK time, I see, okay, Euro USD it's not good for me in the London session. It doesn't have a much of a volume. I'm constantly losing trades in this session, etc, etc. This is just an example, obviously, but you can see, you can see how you can change things, let's say in a period of 1 month, right? So what is the good thing to do for yourself, for your future trading, for your future success in the trading, and to be consistent, is I dare you to take a 30 days challenge. It can be live account, it can be demo, it can be funding account, it doesn't matter at the end of the day. The only thing that matters obviously is for you to use proper risk management. But let's say you're gonna trade only one pair, and you're gonna journal every trade. So how the journal looks like, I'm gonna pop a picture there, right? So this is how it looks like. You wanna consider the date, pair you're trading, session you're trading, whether it is win or loss. You wanna consider comment. How did you felt during the trade? Were you anxious? Were you, angry, sad, whatever the case may be, in whichever emotional state you are? Then you wanna comment which were the confluences for you to take a trade, okay? And lastly, you want to add the comment how the trade performed. Lose or win, it doesn't matter. So let's say, for example, if the trade was a winning trade, right? You can say, okay, it was excellent, everything, every confluence got respected, etc. If it's losing trade, then you can see why it's losing trade. And then the last important stuff you wanna have in your journal is before and after screenshot. So before your trade even happens, so your complete analysis with your short or long position tool, in TradingView. So before, and then when the trade is done, whether it's losing trade or winning trade, it doesn't matter when it's done. So before and after, so you can compare those two pictures to see, okay, what I did good, what I did wrong, right? I hope it makes sense. So if you're constantly doing this with every trade, if every trade that you take, so let's say you take So let's say you take 2 to 3 trades per week, right? So you write this down. Everything that I said, I'm going to pop a picture. You're gonna see, you can pause the video and take a screenshot. You're gonna see at the end of the week how you performed, okay? And you're gonna see on what things you have to work on. Simple as that. Then you're gonna back test it, right? Until, you're gonna see the difference. You're gonna see better results and everything. So this is why journaling is super important. And even though, you can see the differences on the weekly basis, you can as well see the differences on monthly basis. You can see how you performed whole month. You can see quarters, right? It's super important. So you can see, okay, maybe the first Q was super bad. So you can see why it was super bad. Because we are always a student of the market. So this means that you're always going to get new knowledge, experiences, and those stuff. If you're journaling everything, you're gonna be up to date, up to speed, how you are performing, whether you are successful or not successful, let's say consistent. Because at the end of the day, it's all about consistency. If you can extract, let's say 20 pips a week consistently, you're gonna be profitable. Simple as that, okay? So guys, let me know in the comments if you are journaling or not, and why not, okay? I wanna know your story, I wanna talk to you, I wanna see how things goes, right? So thank you for watching, make sure you subscribe and like, because it helps algorithm to push the video up, and see you in the next episode.